Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your PayPal account to Gumroad. I am also going to explain some information that you need to know when you are using Gumroad with PayPal. So I'm logged on to Gumroad and I can go to my dashboard in the top right hand corner. Now, once I am on my dashboard, we're going to see some achievements. We don't need to worry about any of this, though. We want to go to the bar here on the left and go to settings. Once you are in settings, you can then go to payments. And inside of payments, you are going to have some different sections. First is going to be verification. So you are going to need make sure that your details are verified. This is very easy to do. You just fill out basic details and you will be verified. Then you've got your payout schedule. You can go ahead and choose when you want to get paid out, either via weekly, monthly, quarterly. You can also post this as well. And you can choose the minimum payout here. Now scrolling down, you are going to get to the bank account. Gumroad, I think, rarely want you to catch out with bank account. So if you have a bank account available, I will put this on first. And the reason I say that is because if you scroll down even more, you are going to get to PayPal. And it says here that to withdraw to PayPal, you must meet the following requirements in order to connect a PayPal account. And your account must be marked as a complaint, and I will show you in a second how you can get your account complaints. And also you must have earned at least $100 and receive at least one successful payout. So before you can get payout via PayPal, you must have received at least one successful payout. And what are the options to get payout? Well, the only other option is bank account. So you are going to need to enter in your bank account first, and then once you've received one payout of the minimum payout, which is $10, you can then add your PayPal account, provide that you've earned $100. Now if you go to payouts on the left, you can then go ahead and verify. Excuse me. So what I was saying is you can then go ahead and verify and make your account complete via this window. But you need to first make $10, so go and sell some stuff first. You are then going to earn money, and you will be able to see it in the payout section here. So then after here, once you are earned $10, you can add your bank account. And then once you've been paid once, you can then add PayPal after earning 100. So those are the Gumroad rules. Is it fair? Let me know what you think in the comments and see you in another video.